Now the next thing is how to connect to the database just through some tool, right? So there is a table plus is actually a tool which can help you to connect to the database. And so you can see all the tables, you can create new tables, you can alter any column, you can look into the database, all the data related operations you can do. Either you install a Postgres admin, PG admin, or you can install just a table plus. You already have a Postgres up and running in the container, and database is also already created, right? So we can just play with the tables which have been created by Typeorm. We can alter the change, or we can perform any kind of changes. So this is all happening through the Docker containers. We just did Docker compose up, and I can see 2 containers are up and running. You can just inspect them, or if you have database URL, you can just connect to the database, or you can also get inside those containers through this shell. Docker provide these shells, so you can access the terminal of those containers. This is my Postgres one, and here you can see the data inside the table. You just need to pass the table username password. Like, okay, host is localhost 5433, the host port in the Docker. Username API development password, and database is API database. And that's it. If everything is good, you should be able to connect to the database, and then you can perform all these different queries.